In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connections over here and select More Connection Settings. Then click on Printing over here and tap on Default Print Service. Your device is now looking for a printer. If it finds one, it will connect to it, just like in my case. If you wish to use different print service, you can do that by tapping on this switcher at the top, going back, and choosing Download Plugin instead. Now click on service that you wish to install. I will go with HP one. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Now just tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!